Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. What's really happening in the market? Nothing much. Yesterday, we've been waiting for FOMC, and they did increase the rates, but you know what? We did not really get some crazy moves. So what do we see today? Today, we actually have something. Europe. Actually, they're going to release their interest rates 2:15, like actually in few hours. So I'm expecting them to increase, especially when we saw how US did. So I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. I'm expecting to see Europe or Euro against the other pair to gain that strength as they go into actually increase the rate. So yeah, let's go straight to the charts. Okay, what's really happening? We are actually on USD Canada today. I just said, you know what, let me just do the whole week. The whole or most of the currency pairs, because sometimes I start with GBPJPY. What's really happening? I think this was supposed to be a very nice. I think I should take this trade. Let me just post this and send this trade to the group, guys. I think it's gonna be a very nice one. Let's go on 1 hour and see. Yeah, I think this is much better. So let me take that trade. Okay, yeah, I just did send that signal. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is respecting the support area, and from there we can easily see that while it's supporting, it's respecting this area, we are actually on a very nice uptrend, and the market has been pushing lower for quite some time now. So let's see, the market has been actually going lower. We had a very nice push to the lower side, so now I'm expecting the market to push the upside. And to me, it's actually obvious because they increased the rates yesterday, but the market did not actually react into that. So now it seems like the market is actually on a very nice support. I'm expecting a very nice push to the upside. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's push to the next one. This is actually USDJPY. So I think on this one I need to clear this because it's been there for quite some time. So let's go. Actually, sometimes you have to clear your analysis because sometimes it stays there longer. You end up getting confused. So now I'm going to do my quick analysis and see what's really happening, if maybe it does connect with these other ones. Yes, they all connect. They connect very nice. But you can easily see that, yes, the market was doing what? The market was actually on a very nice bullish momentum. The market was pushing to the upside. So from here, we can just wait for a smaller reversal before we see another push to the upside. So yeah, we see something like this. You can see that, yes, the market was respecting this support. And even here, where we are now, it seems like the market will try to come around that support area. So let's zoom there and see. Yes, it seems like the actually JPY is trying to actually get stronger. Maybe we'll see the market coming very close to the support, and then maybe the market will push up again, or maybe the market will be breaking out and start to push lower. But it's better to wait for the market. So USD CHF. Whoa, USD CHF. It seems like CHF is getting stronger and stronger. As they increased the rates yesterday, I thought maybe the market here, it will actually push like up like that. But it seems like now the market wants to continue with that bearish momentum. So we had a very nice bearish momentum for quite some time. So I thought maybe we reached a lowest level. Then it seems like CHF is getting stronger, but it's not really surprising. All these countries, they are increasing the rates. So it seems like the market, it will be breaking out here. If the market breaks out, obviously we will look for sell positions. But since we already took other positions, I'm not going to do much there. So what's really happening on US oil? I saw that they did reduce the production of oil, actually, these OPEC countries. So what's really happening is, yes, we can easily see that, yes, the market is was actually on a downtrend. You can see that the market was respecting these areas, but where we are now, the market is getting out. The market just broke out, which means I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue pushing to the upside. So let's try to see, and maybe we can get something. Let's try to see. So yeah, to me, I think it's just obvious the market did give us a sort of a smaller rejection. Then I'm expecting the market to go to the upside. So let's go on a 4-hour time frame and see if maybe we can see something. I think on top there we have a nice resistance. We don't really have to avoid that. Wow, come on. Yes, we have something like this. So on the bottom side, maybe I see something like that. You see that? But I'm not going to do that because this is actually, it's just after this breakout. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a horizontal support here. Maybe the market might come around that area and start to consolidate. But what I just want a breakout. Then I will say, okay, it's time for me to jump straight to that that bullish momentum. I'm expecting the market to break out. So what I can do, I can just place a notification, and from there, if it breaks, I will be ready to actually take that buy. I'm actually bullish as the market is trying to do what? To get out of this down trend. So let's go to the next one, which is actually GBPUSD. What's really happening? It shows that actually GBP against the dollar, it's very, very strong, and I'm not surprised. Now I'm expecting it to even go further. In few hours, let's say in 2 hours here, we're going to have actually Europe interest rates, and they're still going to increase. So Europe and Britain, they are very closer, so it means it's going to force also Britain to do the same, especially when the inflation is still very high. So what we see here is the market is still actually on this uptrend. I like the fact that the market, yes, here did actually give us a very nice reversal. I was afraid to take that buy. I thought maybe the market was going to break, especially when I was expecting the dollar to increase the rates. They did increase the rates, but guess what? It seems like GBP is very, 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 very strong. So I'm still bullish, but I think for us to just jump on the market, we have to wait for a nice reversal before we push to the upside. I don't think maybe the reversal has to come back and touch the support. As long as you can have your support line here, maybe something like that, then the market will be doing something like that, continuing pushing to the upside. So let's push to the next one. Whew. Euro JPY is now pushing to the upside. On this one, I think, guys, we also have to, I think I don't know if I sent the signal or something. Yeah, I think I forgot to send that. I'm expecting the market to shoot to the upside. Why? Because we're going to have the news in few hours, and since they're going to increase, from now on, I'm expecting the market to keep pushing up. You can see we have a very nice support area pushing the market to the upside. So I'm also expecting the market to keep continuing pushing to the upside. So here, I think the market will try to keep pushing to the upside. Actually, I don't know if I gave them that order. If not, I'll give them after this. We still have few minutes actually. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. We can easily see that Euro USD is also pushing to the upside, and as I repeat, we have interest rates. I can show you that again. Let me show you. You can see quarter past two here. We have interest rates. The main refinancing rates are in 15 quarter past 2, and we left with very, very few minutes. So that's why we start to see the Europe gaining the strength. I think it's free money, especially when we understand that they're going to increase the rates, if you understand. But if you don't understand, sometimes it might be difficult if you don't really understand fundamentals. Not every day. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes it's not. Right? So what do we see? I see that yes, the market is actually pushing to the upside. We can identify some of the structures there, and we see that the market just touched that area. We can just call that a support. If we go back there, you can also see that we have something like that. On top there, we can also identify that resistant area as it's already there. Then so that once the market reaches that area, we have to think twice if maybe we need to keep holding, or maybe the market will be going down. But for now, I'm expecting the market to keep pushing to the upside. I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So GBPJPY, I don't really want to make this video very long, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and thanks to everyone who already subscribed. If not, you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, smash the like, guys, because for other guys or other people who are like us, who always want to get updates daily, can actually get this video. So what's really happening on GBPJPY? Quite similar on with other GBP USD pair. We can see that the market is still actually bullish. The market created a very nice support there, and it seems like the market is struggling to push the upside. But what I like is the market is actually still playing above my support area. So I will just want the market to reverse a little bit before I look for a very nice buy. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. I'm expecting gold to actually push lower. I'm expecting gold to actually push lower. And we had some trades yesterday here. The market pushed up. Now it's like coming back. But it's fine. I can say we did take a smaller loss there. We did take a loss there. So what's really happening is, yes, we can easily see that, yes, the market is still actually on a bullish momentum. It seems like the market did not really listen to Jay Powell yesterday when he is talking about the interest rate. It seems like they think maybe things will be much better, which is good. But the thing is, when you start to understand fundamentals and technical, it's difficult sometimes to know actually what might happen. So you know that the rates are high, so the dollar is supposed to be stronger, but it's just doing the opposite, and sometimes that happens. So and sometimes it's because the market reacts to whatever that they say they're going to do before. Then once they say whatever they say they want to say, it's quite the same as how people expected, then the market is easier to bounce back. But I'm still expecting maybe a nice reversal, maybe before we see a push. Where we are now, we are just very, very, very closer to that resistance that we had. You can see it's actually where the market broke out, exactly around that area. The market did something. There was an area that we can call a resistance. The market actually broke out here. So but you can see with the wicks, just look at those tails, that the market is not actually giving us, just look, 1 2 3 4. So this area actually, it's a bit confusing. Whether you're selling, whether you're buying, it's easier to lose. So let's just stay out for now, and we'll see what happens from now on. So let's see. US30, we did send the signal early in the morning. It seems like the market is touching that order, which is great. I'm expecting the market to still push to the upside. If we go back, you will see that the structure here is now getting older. We have to focus here. The market broke out of this resistance. Very nice. If you did not watch my previous videos, please go back there and watch my previous videos. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market actually created some sort of reversal. Now it might push the upside. I'm still expecting it to push up because companies were doing great actually inside US30. I saw, yeah, they were releasing some very nice earnings, which means we might see the market pushing up until the market opens. I'm expecting some very nice push. So Now let's go to NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? We also had an order. You can see that, but still, we can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually on a very nice uptrend. There is no point to going like far back, guys. We can easily see the trend there, so we don't really have to confuse ourselves. So if we go back, you can see that we also had different structures, but from back here, you can see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside. Even though we have some sells, and even though sometimes we take some losses, but you know what? The market is now actually on a very nice bullish momentum. So what do we see here? Yesterday, the market did not actually respect much of FOMC or interest rate. So the market did actually play around, acted like it's reversing. Now it's pushing to the upside. We have a buy pending order. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing to the upside. On top there, we also have the highest area that for now, and that area we can just call that a possible resistance. The market can touch that area before pushing up, or maybe the market will try to break out and start to push to the upside. For those who wants to be part of the team, if you want to be part of the team, join the team for $39 until month end, which is going to be around maybe around this weekend. Then we will be going back on our $250 and $150 for our VIP signals. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like, share with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye.